This activity is going to teach us how to use the paper shredder. And this here is the paper shredder. The first thing we need to do when we're using the paper shredder is make sure that we're safe. And we do that by making sure we roll up any of our sleeves or taking off any loose clothing. The second thing we got to do is make sure if you have long hair that you tie your hair up in a ponytail or in a bun or put it in a hat, because we don't want you to get your hair stuck into the paper shredder because it could hurt you. The paper shredder has an on-off switch. So here is the on switch right here. So you're going to press the button here and now it is on. In order to make sure that you're going to shred paper, you have to ensure that you take only one paper at a time because it can break the machine. So turn it on, take the paper, and place it slowly into the machine and push your hand or pull your hands away. We'll do that again. One paper onto the track here, put it in, hands away. One at a time, hands away. When you're not using the paper shredder, you make sure you turn it off. Sometimes you're going to find paper with a paper clip. It's important to take off the paper clip and put it in the right bin, and then take your paper one at a time and shred. Sometimes you'll find paper might have a staple on it right here. So we must take off the staple, and you can just rip the staple off like that and put it into the bin next to you. And now it's safe to put this paper into the paper shredder. One at a time. And hands away. When you're not using the paper shredder, it's important to turn off the button. And this is how we turn off the button. So it goes to the 0. And that's how we use the paper shredder safely.